Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to draw angles with a protractor. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a protractor, I have a sheet of paper, and I have a pen. You can also obviously use a pencil or any other writing utensil. Let's get right into the video. This is all that you need. So we're going to start off by drawing our base line of our angle, okay? So you can use the edge of the protractor that's straight, okay? So we're just going to, or a ruler, or anything that has a straight edge. I'm just going to draw a very simple line across like that, okay? Now what we're going to do to draw the angle is we need to start off by measuring and labeling our angle, and then we can draw the angle. So essentially we want to take our protractor, and I'm going to flip it over just like this. Actually, no, this is the correct way. I'm just looking at the middle 90 over here. I mean, it doesn't really make too much of a difference. You can read the numbers backwards, not a big deal, but it should go this way. It's just easier to read and understand. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up that bottom line with the zeros over here, okay, the zero line, which is right at the bottom, and then we're going to get this vertical line on either the right side of that line or the left side, depending on where we're going to put the angle. So I'm going to line up the bottom zero line with that bottom line of the angle, and I'm going to put this vertical line in the center of the protractor over here on the left vertice right here. Now, to draw the angle, all that you have to do is figure out what number you want. So let's say I wanted a 50-degree angle, right? If you look on the opposite side of where your vertical line is, so my vertical line is on the left side of this line over here, this bottom line. We're going to look on the opposite on the right side over here. We're going to follow the curve, okay, and we're going to start at 0. So you want to make sure you're looking at the numbers that start at 0, not the ones that start at 180. So we're starting at 0, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we're dealing with the inner set of numbers because there's an inner set and an outer set. We're dealing with the inner set, and we wanted a 50-degree angle. So I'm going to follow that 50 outwards, which lines up with 130. So it's the opposite end of it, so it just makes it easy to draw the line. Okay, I'm going to put a little line like that. You can even just put a little mark. You just need a dot there, right? I just put a line so it's easier to see on camera. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my protractor, and I'm going to draw a straight line from this corner, directly in the corner. We don't want to go further or closer, directly in the corner, to that line that I just drew, or to that little dot that I just drew. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space because obviously the pen itself has a certain amount of width to it, okay? So, and I know that the angle was actually like right here, right at the beginning of that line that I drew. That was the actual beginning of the angle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just draw a straight line across like that, and you can always extend it out further. That is a 50-degree angle, okay? Very simple. Lastly, I'll show you how to use the other side of it. So I'm going to draw a straight line. We'll make this a little bit faster this time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a straight line like that, okay? I'm going to now place the line, the bottom line on the zeros, the zero line, and then the vertical line on the right side over here. And let's say I just wanted, just for fun, a 20-degree angle. We're on the outer set of numbers now. So we're going to do 0, 10, 20, put a little dot or a line where the 20 is. And then I'm just going to connect from the corner where I had the vertical line to that new little dot or line that I drew that represents 20 degrees. And right here we have a 20-degree angle right there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.